Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll guide you through how to add captions on CapCut. So if you find this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's dive right in. First up, start by opening the CapCut on your mobile device. Once the CapCut is open, tap on the New project. Then choose your desired video from your mobile device. Next, tap on the Add button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the video imported to the project, tap on the text option from the menu bar at the bottom. In text, select Auto Captions. Now here, you can select the language of the video or captions. Next, select the audio or video you wish to generate captions. Then, in Templates, select your desired template of captions. CapCut provides you with a huge collection of different styles for captions. Simply tap on a template and you wish to generate a lookalike. After that, simply tap on the Generate button at the bottom of the screen. This process may take a short time to process the entire project, and that's it. CapCut has successfully generated auto captions for our video. You can also customize them, like if you want to change the captions color, select this text overlay. Then, tap on the Style option from the menu. Then tap on Styles at the top. After that, tap on the color box. Now you can select any custom color from this color box. To apply the color, simply tap on the tick icon in the bottom right corner. That's it. You have successfully learned how to add captions on CapCut. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.